Hola, bienvenidos a la clase de hoy. Los símbolos más temidos en la actualidad. Interesante. Averigua qué es. Ponlo en el warm-up. Dime lo que piensas que es. Today we're going to talk about how can we describe ourselves and others in Spanish. Once again, this is important because obviously we want to be able to express who we are and express who other people are in order to communicate. Hoy es viernes el 18 de septiembre. Para empezar, on your notes or in your notes, tell me how you would say, I like to skate. I do not like to skate. Me also. And me neither. We went over that for the past couple of days, so you should have it. Now vocab. Let's go over some new words we're going to talk about. So we have the word artístico. Artístico. That means artistic. Artístico. The female version of artístico would be artística. So for example, I am a male, so I say yo soy artístico. My wife, if I wanted to say that she's artistic, I would say ella es artística, because she's a female. Hers would end with an A, mine would end with an O. The next word is gracioso. Gracioso. That means funny. Gracioso. The female version of it is graciosa. Then we have reservado. Reservado, which means shy. Reservado. Female version of that is reservada. The next word is atrevido. Atrevido, which means daring. Atrevido. Female version of that is atrevida. Atrevida. The next word is impaciente. Impaciente. And that means impatient. Impaciente. Because it ends with an E, I went ahead and put the A here, kind of to trick you, but because it is with an E, it does not change. Both male and female are going to be the same, impaciente. The next word is serio. Serio, which means serious. And the female version of serio is seria. Seria. The next word is bueno. Bueno, which means good. Bueno. Female version is buena. 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 The next word is inteligente. Inteligente, that means intelligent. Inteligente. And it goes both for male and female. Then we have the word simpático. Simpático, which means funny. Simpático. Female version is simpática. Simpática. Notice the accent, so I'm exaggerating that A. Simpática. The next one is deportista. Deportista. That means athletic. Deportista. Notice it ends with an A, but that one is an exception to the rule, meaning it's going to go for both male and female with an A. Deportista. Ordenado. Ordenado. That means organized. Ordenado. Female version of the word is ordenada. 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 The next word is sociable. Sociable. That means sociable. Sociable. Goes both for male and female. The next word is desordenado. Desordenado. That means disorganized. Desordenado. The female version of it is desordenada. Ooh, I cannot speak today. I apologize. Desordenada. The next word is paciente. Paciente, which means patient. Paciente paciente is both for male and female. The next word is talentoso. Talentoso. That means talented, talentoso. The female version of the word is talentosa, talentosa. Then we have estudioso, estudioso, which means studious, estudioso. The female word is estudiosa, estudiosa, estudiosa. Then we have perezoso, perezoso, that means lazy, perezoso. The female word of it is perezosa, perezosa. Then we have trabajador, trabajador, that means hardworking, trabajador. The female version is a little different than the other words. It's trabajadora, trabajadora. So we're going to add our A, trabajadora. That means hardworking. Okay, the verb ser in Spanish. The Spanish verb ser means to be, but there are two verbs meaning to be in Spanish, ser and estar. Right now we're going to learn about ser. Later on we're going to learn about estar, but they both mean to be, but there are some differences. So let's look at ser. Ser is used primarily in situations to imply permanence. That means that it stays, it doesn't change. Equivalence, characteristics, origin, nature, identity, and possession. For example, my apple is bigger than his. It's not going to change. Quito is in Ecuador. It's not going to change. Quito is always going to be in Ecuador. Ice is cold. Ice is always going to be cold. He is French. He would always be French. The car is mine. So it's permanent that the car is yours. Ser is an irregular verb. You need to memorize the form that goes with each pronoun. So I have it right here in the form I've been showing you lately. So let's follow that. So it's yo soy. Yo soy. Tú eres. Tú eres. Usted, él, ella es. Usted, él, ella es. Nosotros somos. Nosotros somos. Ustedes, ellos, ellas son. Ustedes, ellos, ellas son. So let's recap. Yo soy means I am. Tú eres. You are. Usted, él, ella es. You in the formal, he or she are. Nosotros somos. We are. Ustedes, ellos, ellas son. You all, they are. That's all it is. It's just the verb to be. Pretty simple, right? I hope so. Let's move on. So now let's say, how can I describe someone? How can I describe myself and others? So for example, if I want to say I'm intelligent, I would say, yo soy inteligente. Yo soy inteligente. If I wanted to say that you are patient, I would say, tú eres paciente. Tú eres paciente. If I want to say that he is funny, I would say, él es gracioso. Él es gracioso. He is funny. If I wanted to say she is funny, I would say, ella es graciosa. Ella es graciosa. Notice, even though they're both from the word gracioso, this one ends in an A because ella is a female. Usted es impaciente. Usted es impaciente. You, in the formal, are impatient. Nosotros somos perezosos. Nosotros somos perezosos. We are lazy. We are lazy. Ustedes son graciosos. Ustedes son graciosos. You all are funny. You all are funny. Ellos son deportistas. Ellos son deportistas. They are athletic. They are athletic in the male form. Ellas son deportistas. Ellas son deportistas. They in the female form are athletic. Notice that even in the male form we kept the A on deportistas. That is an exception to the rule. Now, who am I? On your notes, write 5 traits you possess. Here are mine. This is how I want you to write them, but you put your own traits from what we just learned. So for me, yo soy inteligente. Yo soy inteligente. Yo soy trabajador. Yo soy trabajador. Yo soy estudioso. Yo soy estudioso. Yo soy atrevido. Yo soy atrevido. Yo soy gracioso. Yo soy gracioso. So now write yours. Tell me 5 things about you on your notes, please. Alright, once you finish with that previous exercise, describe someone else. In your notes, describe your best friend, at least 5 traits. So here's my best friend, which happens to be my wife. Ella es inteligente. Ella es inteligente. She is intelligent. Ella es ordenada. Ella es ordenada. She is organized. Ella es paciente. Ella es paciente. She is patient. Trust me, she is. She's been married to me for 17 years. So she's very patient. Ella es trabajadora. Ella es trabajadora. She is hardworking. Ella es trabajadora. My wife is very hardworking. She works at Children's Hospital in the emergency room. Ella es sociable. Ella es sociable. She is sociable. My wife is very sociable. She talks to everybody all the time. I'm not very sociable. I like to be reserved or reservado. Now let us expand the topic. In your notes, write a simple sentence describing... Excuse me, my mouse went crazy. In your notes, write a simple sentence describing a family member. I will write a description of my daughter. Mi hija, my daughter, es, because ella es, right, inteligente. También, which means also, ella es impaciente. She is impatient. She has no patience whatsoever. Y, remember we talked about y, that means why, estudiosa, and she is studious. Ella es desordenada. She's very disorganized. Y también es perezosa. And also she's lazy. She's very good with school and she does all her stuff, but she can be lazy at times. Ella es buena. Ella es buena. She is good. So now write on your notes about somebody in your family and tell me about them. So that will conclude today's lesson. Make sure you take the time to do each one of those exercises in your notes. And don't forget to do the DOL. Also, today is Friday, so don't forget to turn in your notes. And also, turn in your homework. Well, have a great weekend. Adios.